It's so calm and quiet in our house today.
Hey, Sailor Sue! It's time to save the planet from evil! Are you ready?
Ouch! Oh, someone binge-watched Sailor Moon again yesterday.
Come on, Sue! I want to save the world too and transform into a beautiful sailor warrior!
And which Sailor Guardian is your favorite?
Well, sure it is.
Stop! Don't say anything. You'll tell me on the way.
On the way where?
You wanted to save the world, right? I figured out where to find a team partner for you.
Sue, you're my queen! Let's punish evil in the name of the moon!
Hi guys, are you ready to cheer for girl power?
Sue, we're all pretty sailor guardians at heart.
And today we're gonna make an original one. Welcome our Sailor Moon.
Susie, look! She looks like swag, but not for long!
Let's say Swag is doing some cosplay today. LOL fans, anyone? Give a thumbs up.
Sailor Moon fandom, keep up! Today is our day!
This is rare on our channel, but we're so in the costume. The pattern is in its place. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. Guys, do it carefully along the lines. It's pretty easy as you can see. Now we'll use scissors. Be very careful, guys.
What is it gonna be? An iconic skirt? Or maybe a ribbon?
Not quite. We'll make 4 of these triangles to sew the chest part of her dress.
Okay, I knew that was coming. Here's a strap.
You're right on time, Sammy. Let's join these pieces together. And close it with another triangle piece to secure the strap. Carefully stitch the sides with a thread. One stitch and then another. Be careful with the needle.
And I'm gonna make the second strap by myself. Moon Prism Power Makeup! Susie, why were all the first villains in that story named after gemstones?
It's because the author, Naoko Takeuchi, is a chemistry major and she was very interested in science. Yeah, being a science geek and a great manga artist at the same time is so cool. Manga are Japanese comics, by the way. And now we'll see what the upper part of the costume looks like.
Sue, when we finish this magical wand, I'll cast so many spells!
And we're done with the straps. Now it's time to add the Velcro. And here they are. Let's attach them to the top from both sides.
Just the right size! Usagi would have been so happy!
Guys, if you don't know, Usagi Tsukina is the real name of Sailor Moon. In Japanese, it means rabbit of the moon. So cute!
I need to find out how to say slime of the earth in Japanese. Or better, slime of Tibidaba. Sounds good too!
I'm looking forward to that. Now when the Velcro is placed on the back of the top, the doll already looks splendid.
Sue, this is hard for me to say, but you should reconsider your fashion choices.
I'm kidding, Sammy. Just remember that Sailor Guardians always work together as a team. Each contribution is needed in the name of the moon.
Hey, it's Sailor Moon's iconic pose! And it means I love you in sign language.
Yeah, that's true. Sailor Moon's message was always that the power of love could save the world. And I totally support it. Do you agree, guys?
Sewing needle attack! Check this out! Now the top has wings!
And here's the skirt base. We almost recreated Super Sailor Moon costume.
And I have my own hero costume! I'll defeat evil with my super crafting skills!
We'll use pins to secure the skirt in its place. Watch your fingers, guys. This way.
We still have a lot to do. We're kind of falling behind.
Actually, we don't have that much left, but we'd better speed up using some magic. Ready? And we're done! Guys, stay tuned to see how it looks on Little Miss Swag. Wow, Swag is really good at cosplay. What do you think, Sammy?
The base is good, but we should finish the whole look first. Let's make a sailor-style collar!
Use it in a different way. Sammy likes to wear it as an apron.
But originally, you were supposed to wear it on your back. It's a part of Japanese school uniform.
Yeah, it's called Sailor Fuku and it's based on a naval uniform.
But Sailor Moon took uniform fashion to the next level. Check out this bow.
And I'm almost done here. Just a little bit of magic. There you go.
Sue, I did my best, but No one can beat a Sailor Guardian's transformation!
Guys, you should definitely check out the anime if... What is it?
You almost ruined it! I'll make everything perfect! Watch and learn. 1, 2, 3, boom! I made it in a blink of an eye!
Whoa, Sammy! Great job! It's 'cause Sailor Moon is one of your favorites, right?
That's right! And I want to have a closer look. Wow, she's so charming! Oh, I'm speechless!
Now we need to make gloves for her small hands. They will be very authentic. And this is our fabric for a glove. Check out this red piece on the end. It should fit her on perfectly, so let's adjust the size.
So while you were being a slowpoke, I already made the glove!
Oh, just check out how cute it is. Sammy, do you have the other one?
Yes, Sue, here it is. Take it!
Sammy, you did great as always. Let's put it on our Sailor Moon. Guys, the boots are made the same way as the gloves, just without the thumb part.
Susie!
What is it, Sam?
Moon Prism makeup!
Sammy, cut it out.
Okay, Sue.
Guys, look! I made the Odango hairstyle. Now she looks just like Sailor Moon. She's so pretty! But more is yet to come, so stay here, guys. La 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 la.
Sailor Moon, wait! You forgot your skirt bow!
While Sammy's fastening another bow, let's finish the look. A gold tiara is on her head.
She looks like a moon fairy, I would say. Sue, and where are her earrings?
We'll attach them right now. Check this out, they're half moon shaped.
Guys, do you like this Super Sailor Moon costume? Give us a thumbs up!
Ta-da! Finally, Sailor Moon is ready to fight the evil. But where's the moon stick then?
Shiver me cheddars! My bad! Here you go!
Huh, so this is what the moon stick looks like. This half moon is just magical.
That's right! It's Sailor Moon's main magic weapon!
Take it, Sailor Moon, and never lose it, okay?
The Earth is calling Planet Now! Earth is calling Planet Now! Over!
Gotcha, Sammy! Sailor Moon calls for Luna. Guys, do you remember that Luna is Usagi's guardian black cat?
And she's not just a talking animal, she's an alien!
Yeah, she's from the planet Mao. And by the way, she even has a human form.
But she mostly stays in her feline form. Meow!
Check out her long tail. It seems like she's interested in what we're saying.
Cheer for Luna, guys! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel!
She's Sailor Moon's best friend and advisor. We can't leave her behind. Luna is brave and she helps Usagi in tough situations too. She's such a cool cat.
Maybe our Fluffy's from Mao too. I should talk to him.
Guys, let's add some magic to speed up the process. Whoa! All done! She has big kind eyes. I hope I captured them properly. Our world-saving team is ready. It's so cool.
Guys, are you ready to have a closer look? Then here we go! Human energy! Master Jedi will be very pleased!
Stop right now! I'm the pretty guardian who fights for love and justice. I am Sailor Moon!
Okay, we got it! And how do you plan to stop me, silly little girl?
Just watch! My cat Luna will help me! Moon Healing Escalation!
What was that? My head is spinning!
The Dark Kingdom is defeated for now, but we need more brave guardians. Give a thumbs up if you liked our video. Bye-bye, guys!